I just got my teeth whitening kit by Star Teeth Whitening. This system promises to whiten teeth up to 6 to 7 shades and remove stains in just 15 minutes. This system is so innovative, the LED lightener is powered by your cell phone. Kit contains one rapid photo initiator LED light, several 44% dental strength bleaching gels, a teeth shade guide to compare before and after results, a user manual. Brush your teeth before using this kit. Make sure your mouth tray is rinsed and dried. Use the teeth shade guide to check present tooth color. You are now ready to start whitening. Connect Rapid Photo Initiator LED mouth tray to provided multi-fit USB cord. Plug cord in to cell phone. Apply whitening gel directly to teeth. Place LED tray with whitening solution in mouth for 15 minutes until the device shuts itself off. Remove mouth tray and unplug device. Rinse mouth and tray with water. Use the teeth shade guide to see how white your teeth got. This system is incredible. I got instant results with just a single use. Check out my before and after results. With a 30-day money-back guarantee, you have nothing to lose. Try it today for a wider smile in 15 minutes.